Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're driving past the Manchioneal police station right now, and we're gonna see. I don't know what those houses over there are. Is that part of what we drove by?
Of course, that's where we're coming from.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have to drink a little bit of my lemon water, people. But anyway, we're just gonna drive slow, and hopefully we don't get too many people blowing us because we're driving slow. But I don't think we will. Just enjoy the views here along the ocean side. Well, let's talk about something. And what's that over there? What we see over there?
That's Manchioneal Beach.
Okay.
That's Manchioneal Beach. Richmond Beach we went.
Okay. Well, they're putting up some sort of big fence deal there. Well, we're just driving through Portland, people. This is Manchioneal, Portland. We're just driving through. I'm going to go slow when we go past all the little local shops and things, because that's kind of cool. You know?
See a road that goes up there.
Did we go up that road that one time? Is that the one? Or is it a different one?
Never been up.
Never been up that one.
Oh, we're just going down this.
Okay. Well, if I was looking at my map, I might have known what to do there. I'm going to go down over here by the seashore, though, where all those boats are at. And I'm not going to get out of the car and see the boats. Oh, I see. There's a road here. All kinds of roads to take. Oh, very neat. Very neat. Well, this is a fishing village, people. We'll let this truck go past. There we go. Vibe sound. Look at the speakers in the back of that truck. Well, you can't. Our people can't see them, but I could.
I can't see.
Huh?
I don't see it.
Yeah, in the back of that.
Well, this is the beach you were looking at.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There are a lot of shops, but I don't see any decent shop that would sell things that.
There's a grocery store.
Maybe that one.
Yeah. So let's drive up here. I don't think we necessarily need to take any side roads. This is just a neat drive. I just, enjoy driving slow in a port like this and just, enjoying the main road, the little shops and people sitting along the road and everything. Just, I don't know. We're not very talkative today. I might have to think about, like I was saying before, I might have to think about putting some background music, so y'all have something to listen to, because we're not doing much talking.
But look, plenty of people doing YouTube, and they don't. I watch plenty of people. They don't do a lot of talking.
Yeah.
Every now
Do
and
they
then
do
say something,
background
but-
music then, or they just don't do nothing?
No, nothing.
Oh,
Even
okay.
I was watching. It was it. Don't remember what it was. Some down the parish places going. You were watching part of it with me, and every now and then he talks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we don't need to talk the whole time.
No, but yeah.
You know, you're talking about that one place where they were digging little holes every little bit. They're doing it here too.
I don't know.
Yeah.
If you light poles, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. Oh, that was over by Amity Hall. We saw that.
Yes, let me tell you. Oh, they have the cows with. Oh, no, the sheep's different.
Oh, yeah, they have sheep in one, and the cows in the next.
I nearly say sheeps. I forgot. When I was going to primary school, they told us a flock of sheep. They never had an S. The sheep?
Yeah, sheep.
Yeah. The plural is sheep.
Sheep. It's the same. Oh, you used to call them sheeps.
No, I just made a mistake because
Oh.
I had an S, but I remember from primary school.
You didn't have an S.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean just now you did?
Yeah, that person I say.
I didn't even know.
I don't know why I do.
Oh, look at this house back here.
Because I'm gonna say cows, so I.
Yeah, you say cows. Why wouldn't you say sheeps?
You know, I make mistakes.
And if you say lamb, you say lambs.
You know. Yeah, but
You know.
yeah.
So why don't you say sheeps?
No. I don't know. You see, so
English is very difficult.
Yes. It's
Yes. Uh-huh. Here, people can see a little art. It's well faded, but it's Jamaican art. Okay, I think I'm gonna. Oh, we want to see this. Look at this. Look at this, people. Look at that view. Look at that view. Oh, look at that peach house up on the hill over there.
That, yeah.
Wow. And the cattle over here, and the oh, look at the number of cattle! Wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a lot of cattle.
Yeah, it's for eating purpose.
Yes, yeah, they're growing those to eat.
Kill the slaughters.
They're going to be hamburger in no time.
Yeah, I think every week they're killing out of them. Every week.
Yeah. Boy, the number of almond trees around here.
Yeah.
You know, like you were saying the other day, how they love the
ocean.
the ocean, and just the number of trees along it.
Yeah.
The number along in here is just amazing. Yeah, just amazing. Okay, well. What's our time look like? I think I may want to turn back and just go back to that grocery store. Let's see. Oh, we've only been filming about 10 minutes this trip.
You need to go somewhere.
Huh?
You need to let it go a little longer.
Yeah, maybe I need to take one of those side roads back in there. I don't know. Well, I'll just go straight.
Go straight. Because like that horse stable here, it's like, yeah, it's nice. This horse stable here, nice.
Oh yeah, beautiful view here. Look at this. Woo! That's it. You know, I had never really noticed the almond trees so thick until you pointed that out the other day. But now I can't unsee it. You know, I can't unsee it.
Almond tree.
Yeah,
Yeah, just
so many almond
everywhere.
trees.
Yeah. And then you have people who make use of them, because I watch in his Ultrares and this man, like he goes around and he picks them up, and the amount of aluminium that he has to sell.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he does some of them like sun dry, while he lets some of them dry in cool place, so they have different color when they are dry. And he sell them. I don't remember, because when Mara was there, but he gets money from it. He making money. I don't remember how much US for a pound, for a 1 pound parcel. Yeah, he pass them out so neat, and he has a machine to seal them and so on, making money from them.
Okay, we're gonna have a nice view up here, people.
The guest house that I was telling you about, it's maybe somewhere here. This one here.
Oh, that may be what we saw right there.
See the name right there,
Yes.
something under that cove, I don't remember.
Oh.
I want to explain to you that, but maybe you wouldn't get it still. That's where, before.
Yeah, oh no, that's when we were seeing the orange one up there. Here's the road we wanted to take that one day. Oh, Kensington. Kensington. Woo! I hit those lines with my camera. Yeah, we'll drive up here.
Look at this.
Wow, look at this house. Woo-hoo-hoo, man, oh man. Oh, I wish I could see everything.
Dog, you don't know this vehicle.
Wow.
See that house that we're looking at, those two houses, just in the distance, yeah.
This is one of these places where if you're going the opposite direction, you're, oh look, I hope my camera goes down there and gets that house. Well, I guess I could go down the road and drive by it too. Yeah. Woo! My camera's not going to catch that house up above us here. But it's going to catch some beautiful scenes. But it's not going to catch the houses above us. Wow, wow, wow. Little front street up here. You know?
Do you feel that? What you saying?
A little front street, you know, like some shops and...
Oh. And the road pretty good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is a nice road. That's why I'm continuing up. And that's why I keep going. It's a beautiful road.
What's all right? What kind of, I don't look something.
Yeah, I don't know.
Look. I look empty. Let's see. Yeah.
So big houses up here.
Mm. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 floors.
Wow. This is so neat up here, sweetie. You know?
Yeah.
It's just so neat.
Their road. No, good road.
You know, when you have a decent road, living up here is not bad.
No.
When you know, but sometimes when you live up in these high places, it's very difficult. Because the road's so bad.
Black.
Woo, that's bright. There's a hot spot bar.
Hot spot.
I don't know what keeps dinging.
That's a church.
What keeps dinging? Do you know?
It's like it's your stuff.
Oh, I know what it is. It's this charger. Keeps coming undone because this cord doesn't work right. That's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's the charger on that other phone. I'm just gonna take it off. It's gonna keep beeping. I don't want to hear it beep. Really? We just keep going with a beautiful road.
Look at that green. You like it? That green?
No, I don't really like that color green.
It's dark.
Yeah. I'm about to change my mind. I like peach.
Mm.
Really a nice neighborhood, you know?
Yeah, look at that mountain.
The house before us. Oh, there's a little grocery store there.
Yeah.
They might have what you want.
So, no, but you're recording, right? So.
Oh, yeah.
So,
No, I'm not talking about now. I'm talking about when we...
No, but better to just go back on the main and Manchioneal where that's super rich.
See that green there? That's more the green that I would go for. Oh, these are pretty right here. They have some of those bird of paradise things or whatever they're called.
Yeah, different colors.
Mm-hmm.
The big tree that you saw and you were asking me if I know the name of it, that's the same tree there. And they have the white. They have different colors to it.
That's a pretty colored house. Oh, look at the view down here. Through here. See that? Look at that, people. Look at that. As far as you can see. Now there's a long little side roads that we kind of passed up in here. And this is pretty much the end of the road. This is pretty much the end of the road as far as houses up in here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around. So people, that's kind of the end of the line up in here. You said there was another one of those trees?
The flowers, the big trees.
Oh, okay.
No, it's not that one. Yes, is it? Yeah, that one.
It was like that one.
Yeah. We had that same tree in trees with my father plant some. We had some in the yard. You have the white, the pink, the red, the orange.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have. It goes just like the bougainvillea, the different colors.
Okay, see, here's a little road that goes up in. And there's houses up in there. See?
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of little roads off of this main one.
It look like some nice old.
Yeah, it does. But then here in just a little bit, there's going to be a road where we could go off of this and go off this road and then come back to it in one little path. So that's what we're going to do up here.
You mean this road? This.
Yeah. People, here we go again doing our off-roading. Woo! Oh, that's a cute, nice looking shop. And then, yep, we just keep going straight here. And then turn left.
And it will take you back.
Mm-hmm. Back to the road that we're on. Yeah.
You have nice house.
Yeah. Well, there's some nice houses in here. See how they have their gate at the top? Kind of like we have our gate to keep the dogs out. I wonder if it's for something. Or it could be to keep kids from falling down or anything, you know?
No, that's the church.
Mm-hmm. What's the church? Oh, right there beside us, yeah. Okay, which part of the road do I want to take here? Over here, maybe. And just like that, we come back to the road. See? Yeah. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
what's.
because I remember.
Yeah. See, we went up, and there's little places that go off, different places, you know.
that carry.
Yeah, that carry.
Mm-hmm.
But. And then what we can do when we get up here, we can take that steep one, because that steep one doesn't look so bad when you see it from the other way, you know.
Sure, like them with them big like elephant.
And then like there, see this little road that was that even on the map? No, that was not even on the map.
Mm. Some place where there were a roadhouse built there now, so those map want to
Mm-hmm.
you know change.
Yeah, there's a road there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see if I yellow yam the man never see. Like right there, so.
You want to stop and see about that?
Oh, but I got here still a because maybe one.
We're gonna, if we do, we're gonna have to end the video. So you decide. Let's see here. We could end it. I kind of wanted to get a picture of
All right,
these
go on.
from the other
Go on,
direction, but
go.
it's going to be a long video if I do. See, like these views right here,
That's why I'm
coming from this direction.
it's not nice when I want to shop and to
Yeah, when you want to shop and we're videoing, it doesn't work very good.
No, because that's that nice, yeah, man.
Well, let me go down a little further, and we can go back up there. We can end the video and then go back up there, you know. How's that sound? Woo, look at these houses here. Quit talking yams, sweetie, for a minute. Let's look at the houses. Huh?
We passed these houses and we're going up, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, from this angle, you can see out on the ocean from the front camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see a lot. Everything looks different from the front
when you're
camera.
going up from when you're coming down, it's different.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Sometimes it doesn't matter which way you're going. I can just grab a little of this and a little of that. But this one, and I kind of thought about going down here, but to the left. But
This seems like
I'm gonna chicken out again.
this part.
I'll just go straight, and that way I'll catch these houses from the other side.
It's okay down at the bottom, but right here, it's
Right there,
very
it looks a
hard.
little rough.
It's too much.
Mhm,
It's
yeah.
too much.
See, some of these houses that I really couldn't see over my shoulder. Hopefully,
One car vehicle coming.
hopefully my upper camera's getting up there. Okay, we'll get past this man here. There we go. Look at the view. Look at the view, people. I guess they saw the view on the way up, but we really couldn't see it so much. Mm. That big yellow house, yellow and peach house above me, I don't think that's going to be on any of my views. I'm just going to have to tell people how huge it is. Look at the waves coming in down there. So cool.
They're still recording.
Hmm?
You're still recording?
Yeah, I'm still going. We'll go just another minute or so here. I thought I'd turn down, when I get down here, I'm going to turn left. I want to catch some of the big houses on the road there. Or we can do that in the next video, I guess, but there's so many big old houses that you can't hardly see different places, you know? Oh, there we can see some of them up there. Oh, there's that big peach and yellow house now. People can maybe see it in front of me. If my front camera goes high enough. Then we'll get a good look at this house off to the right. Keep off the grass. Okay. Okay. Did you see the sign over there? It says keep off the grass. This house is nice too.
Mansion.
Okay, well, I think we'll go ahead and wrap this one up, people. Find a place to pull off here. All right, viewers and subscribers, thanks for joining us on our little tour of Manchioneal. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself, bless up yourself, later, and
Amen.
amen.